Hey guys, it's Scott Edwards with Beaver Toyota, and this is your Car Tip Tuesday. You off of work? Your car could be started by the time you get to it, and if you're here in Atlanta, it's getting cold. So what I like to do is go ahead and go to my Toyota app with my new 23 Corolla, and it's going to let me remote start it. Now, not only will it let me remote start, but you've got some other features in here as well to activate your horn and lights, to also use your digital key, and then also to be able to set your hazards and your climate control for what's going on outside. You can set the heated seats if you have it. You can make sure that the temperature's right and comfortable inside the cab, and make sure that you're not freezing when you get out to your car. So Car Tip Tuesday is just letting you know that your Toyota app is way more advanced than you might give it credit for. And if you're one of those that thinks, I'm a little bit too over the hill for this type of thing, I guarantee you can always teach an old dog new tricks, and this is one of the reasons. Need more assistance in getting the application set up or even on how to use it? Toyota's YouTube page has over 20 different videos on the things that you can use in your app. Feel free to call us, swing by, we could teach you, or go to the website yourself. Every Tuesday you can stop by and get a tip. Car Tip Tuesdays with Scott Edwards here at Beaver Toyota.